the importance of running in and how best to do it. Welcome back to my new Hornby King Arthur class loco. I've been asked about running in and the fact that I always start with a 20-minute in each direction slow speed run-in, followed by a further 20 minutes in each direction at a more moderate speed, and always watched carefully. The manufacturers usually say to run in at half speed in either direction for 30 minutes, but given the delicate complex mechanism of today's models, this is a bit like asking you or I to wake up, jump out of bed and run a mile at full speed. I know how I'd feel, and I'm sure that you would feel the same. No, it's far better to run in at a slow speed for 20 minutes in each direction first, to let any tight spots sort out and the lubricant to spread within the system. In fact, I always lubricate the coupling rods, valve gear, axles and drive gear before ever running a new locomotive. So let's have a look at my N15 running initially set on 30% on the Gauge Master controller. This seems to be a happy spot for most modern locos, and I thought I'd test to see what the scale speed the N15 is actually running at. Turns out it is a perfect 26.2 miles per hour, just right. So now we come to speed her up. Let's try 40% on the controller and test to see how fast that is. Turns out it's 45.1 miles per hour. So now let's set the controller to 50% and see how she does. As you can see, she's flying around now. Imagine the possible damage that would be caused if anything were to jam or be tight. The scale speed is now a 58.88 miles per hour, a good cruising speed for one of these locomotives. I hope you found that helpful and thought-provoking. Cheers for now.